Have you ever thought about how to protect your family's wealth against unexpected events and the ever-increasing inflation? How can you ensure that your children's future is secure, even when the unexpected happens? In this video, I will show you 7 essential investments to shield your assets and guarantee your family's financial stability, with practical examples and clear language. Stay with me until the end and discover how to build a solid plan that can transform your family's financial security. Before we continue, I want you to reflect. Do you already have some financial protection for your family? Or do you still feel insecure about what would happen if an emergency arose tomorrow? If you identify with this doubt, know that you are not alone. Most parents share this concern, and this content was created precisely to help you overcome that insecurity. If you know someone who also needs this security, take a moment to share this video and help more families get protected. The current economic scenario is challenging and demands extra attention. Inflation erodes purchasing power, financial emergencies can arise at any time, and economic instability directly impacts family budgets. Without proper financial planning, a medical emergency, an unexpected loss of income, or even an economic crisis can completely disrupt family life. Imagine a family without a financial reserve that needs to resort to loans or credit cards, accumulating debts and stress. It is precisely to avoid this kind of situation that we need to think about investments that protect and grow the family's wealth safely and consistently. Have you ever thought about what impact a financial emergency would have on your family? If you don't have a reserve for these moments, know that the first step to shielding your assets is precisely to build this emergency fund. It works as a financial cushion, a safety net that should cover 3 to 6 months of the family's essential expenses. For example, if your family spends about $1,000 per month, ideally you should have between $3,000 and $6,000 saved in safe and highly liquid investments, such as high-yield savings accounts, money market funds, or short-term government bonds like U.S. Treasury bills or UK gilts. Liquidity is essential so you can access this money quickly when needed, without bureaucracy or loss of earnings. Unlike savings accounts, which yield little, these investments protect your money and provide peace of mind to face any unexpected event. Here's an important tip. Don't wait until you have a large amount to start. Even if you can only save a small part of your income each month, the key is to start and stay consistent. Time and discipline are your greatest allies in building this reserve. If you already have an emergency fund, that's great. It means you already have the foundation to move forward with the next steps in your family's financial planning. If you don't, start today. And if you're finding this content useful so far, don't forget to like and share it with friends and family who also need the security. The second essential investment to protect your family's financial future is private pension plans. This is a strategic tool for the long term, not only for retirement but also to guarantee resources for your children's education or to leave a financial legacy. There are 2 main types of private pension plans: 401k and IRA in the US, or personal pension plans and self-invested personal pensions, SIPs in the UK. These plans offer tax advantages and help you accumulate wealth over time. Additionally, they often allow your beneficiaries to access funds quickly in case of death, avoiding lengthy probate processes. Imagine that with small monthly contributions, you can accumulate significant wealth that will provide financial security for your children at important moments in life, such as college or buying a home. Private pension plans are an intelligent way to plan for the future, with tax benefits and asset protection. If you haven't invested in one yet, it's worth considering and seeking professional advice to choose the plan that best fits your reality. Now, I want to ask you, have you thought about how to ensure a monthly income that helps pay the family's bills without depending solely on your salary? That's the role of real estate investment trusts, or REITs, which are the third essential investment we'll cover. REITs work like investment clubs where investors pool money to buy large real estate projects such as shopping malls, hospitals, and warehouses, and receive part of the rents and appreciation of those properties. The great advantage of REITs is diversification and liquidity. You can buy shares at accessible prices and sell whenever you want, unlike physical real estate, which requires a larger investment and has lower liquidity. The passive income generated by REITs can complement the family budget, help pay important bills, or be reinvested to accelerate wealth growth. If you've never invested in REITs, start by researching funds with good management, consistent payment history, and diversification. And if you're finding this content helpful so far, don't forget to leave a comment telling us which of these investments you already know or plan to start. Besides REITs, dividend-paying stocks are an excellent way to obtain steady income and capital appreciation. Solid and stable companies distribute part of their profits to shareholders, which can generate monthly or quarterly income. To balance your portfolio and protect your assets from inflation, fixed income investments such as Treasury inflation-protected securities, TIPS, and CDs are fundamental. They offer safety and real returns, ensuring that your money does not lose value over time. But protecting your wealth is not just about investing. It's also essential to shield your family from severe financial losses that could compromise stability. That's why essential insurance, life, health, and home, is the sixth investment you cannot overlook. Life insurance guarantees your children's support if something happens to you. Health insurance prevents unexpected medical expenses from straining the budget, and home insurance protects your family's physical assets. These products are indispensable to ensure peace of mind and comprehensive protection. Before we move on to the last point, I want you to think, how is your financial knowledge? Financial education is the most important investment you can make to make conscious decisions, avoid common mistakes, and maximize your investment results. Involving the whole family, including children, in these conversations creates a solid foundation for the future. There are many courses, books, and free content that can help you become more prepared to manage your family's money. Bringing together all these 7 investments, emergency fund, private pension, REITs, dividend stocks, fixed income, insurance, and financial education, you're shielding your family's wealth and ensuring a peaceful future for your children. The path to financial security starts with conscious decisions and solid planning. And the most important thing, start today, even if with little. Don't put off until tomorrow what can transform your family's life now. Start acting, build your emergency fund, explore pension options, diversify your investments, and protect what's yours with adequate insurance. Don't wait any longer to take control of your family's financial future. Start today by building your emergency fund, exploring pension options, diversifying your investments, and securing your assets with the right insurance. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, share it with other parents who want to protect their families, and subscribe to the channel for more practical tips on financial security. Also, leave a comment below telling us which investment you're most excited to start or any questions you have. We're here to help you every step of the way. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.